Hello, you are invited to our open house at Atlantic Tractor in Clayton, Delaware from 10 to 2 on March 8th. We will be demoing this Wacker Newson SM100, among other things. Its compact design of 35.5 inches fits through doorways, gates, and other tight spaces. It also has industry-leading safety features with an operator presence pedal and hydraulic function lockouts which prevent accidental movement of the lift arm and drive functions. Come check this out among other things in addition to our new shop at Atlantic Tractor in Clayton, Delaware. We hope to see you. Lunch will be provided. Have a great day.